mabuhay! I'm Dominic aka Philly Swiss and welcome back to my channel where we learn to live our best lives on a budget without losing our minds. Today we're doing a much needed weekend reset, cleaning up our space, prepping meals, and ending with a full-on home spa moment. If your life feels like a chaotic mess right now, don't worry, we're in this together. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe if you love realistic self-care content. And drop a shower emoji in the comments if you're watching till the end. Okay, before we get started, let's talk about why I do weekend resets. Because this isn't just about feeling productive, it's about setting myself for success without burning out or overspending. Think about it. If I don't clean up my space, I start the week overwhelmed. If I don't meal prep, I spend too much money on food. And if I don't slow down for self-care, I crash by Wednesday or maybe even Monday already. Weekend resets equal small effort now and big benefits later. First things first, cleaning. Because I can't relax in a messy space and I refuse to start my Monday digging through laundry piles. I follow the low-effort, high-impact rule. Quick tidying and spot cleaning during the week saves me time and effort when it comes to weekend cleaning. I'm also using this time now to prepare the space in my studio for when my new sit-stand desk arrives and furniture needs moving. Don't worry, I will make sure to post a video of my home studio revamp once everything is done and ready to share. Next up, food. Because I refuse to live off overpriced takeout all week. Let's plan some meals, hit the store, and get this adulting thing under control. Making a list before grocery shopping is a game changer. Not just for food, but everything. It keeps me from overspending, impulse buying, and forgetting the one thing I actually needed. Plus, sticking to a list makes grocery shopping faster because who has time to wander around the store for an hour? Now that you've got your food, it's time to meal prep for the week. Keep it easy. The dish needs to have a protein, a carb, and veggies. Mix and match all week. This is the best life hack for lazy girl dinners. Everything is ready to go and I don't have to think about what to eat. Now that the hard part is over, it's time to slow down. I'm trying to romanticize my life, so I'm putting my phone away and actually reading. If you remember in one of my posts, I shared with you the books I plan to read. Not everything is from cover to cover because it depends on my mood, the time I have, or if my brain can absorb Tolkien's world in one sitting. Right now, I'm rereading Oryx and Crake by Margaret Atwood. Yes, it's back to dystopian novels for me. If you want to see more books and read my reviews, you can check out my old blog from my uni days. Let me know in the comments what book you're reading. This story is set where late-stage capitalism and bioengineering have fully gone off the rails. Imagine a world where science bros took things way too far, corporations own everything, and humanity is, well, not doing great. The main character, Snowman, aka Jimmy, is basically the last real human left, chilling in the apocalypse and reminiscing about his very questionable bestie, Crake, and this mysterious girl, Oryx. There's biotech gone wild, weird genetically engineered creatures, and a whole lot of, oh no, we really messed up energy. If you watched and like Black Mirror and are interested in reading a book similar to that, go for this. Finally, the best part. We are fully entering our self-care era with a budget-friendly home spa night. No overpriced salon treatments, just pure vibes. I just dropped my bath bomb in a tub full of warm water and relaxed as I watch my choice of K-drama. This is your sign to romanticize your own life. You deserve to slow down, light a candle, and watch a cheesy rom-com without feeling guilty. And that's my weekend reset. We cleaned, we prepped, we took care of ourselves, all without breaking the bank. If you made it this far, drop a shower emoji in the comments so I know you're my kind of people. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more budget-friendly self-care tips. See you next time. Bye for now.